Hello students, this is another problem under installment purchase system. I have done the problem in the previous recorded slide, the same here also. In this problem also you have to prepare interest account and interest suspense account and pass the journal entries in the books of purchaser and seller. I'll go through the problem first, then we will go for the calculation. Smart Motors Limited sold a motorcycle on installment basis to Arun on 1st January 2015. The cash price was 29,800, rupees 8,000 to be paid on delivery, and the balance in the three installments 8,000 each at the end of each year. Three installment means 8 into 3, 24,000. 24 plus 8, it is 32,000. So the remaining is interest. So you have installment amount and cash price, you have interest rate also, and pass the journal entries in the books of Arun under interest suspense account and depreciation in the reducing balance method. Okay, so let us go through the problem. Before the calculation on journal entries, you have to calculate the interest. Now how to calculate the interest? There are four cases to calculate the interest. They are first, when all the information is given, when the cash price, installment price and interest is given, rate of interest is given. So in this problem, if you read, they have given the information, they have given all the information, that is installment price, cash price and the interest rate. So this is the first method. So at that in that situation, how to calculate? Here, installment price minus cash price, you will get what is the total interest, that is 8,000 into 3, 24,000 plus down payment 8,000, so total is 32,000, minus cash price 29,800, so what is the total interest? 2,200. Now what is cash price 29,800 less down payment to 8,000, so what is the remaining balance? 21,800. So what is the interest for the first year? 29,800 into 5%, it is 1,050. Interest for the second year, 21,800, 8,000 minus the interest, it is 6,910. So 21,800 minus 6,110, you will get 14,890 into 5%, you will get 745. Now what is the interest for the third year? The total interest minus interest for second and first and second year. So 2,200 minus 1,090 plus 7,945, that is of second year interest and first year interest. Deduct, you will get the interest for the third year, which is 365. Journal entries. Now journal entries in the books of Arun's book, we have to pass all the journal entries. The first entry is purchase entry. So what is a purchase entry here? The entry is motorcycle account debtor, interest suspense account debtor to smart motors account. This is in the books of purchasers. So motorcycle, this is a cash price, this is a total interest, and this is a Smart Motors Limited. Now next is a down payment paid. So Smart Motors Limited account debtor to cash account, 8,000 down payment. Now at the end of the year, you have to pass interest entries, installment entry and depreciation entry. Last is transfer entry. So interest entry is interest account debtor to interest suspense account, that is first year interest. Interest Smart Motors account debtor to cash account, this is installment. Then the depreciation, that is of first year, that is 2,980. Yes, you will get the depreciation for the first year, which is given reducing balance method. Next, profit and loss account debtor to interest account to depreciation account. Now the total interest and total depreciation together, it is 4,070. Next, every year you have to pass the same four entries, repetition, that is interest entries, installment entries, depreciation entry and a transfer entry. All these entries are repeated. See, I don't want to repeat it again and again. So same entry will repeat. See, interest entries, take the interest of second year, installment every year for 8,000. The depreciation, calculate on a reducing balance method, you will get, that is on whatever it is remaining on that. Then transfer entry, Third year also the same thing you will continue. Interest entries, installment entry, depreciation entry, and transfer entry. All the three entries will repeat again and again. Okay, 4 entries. You have to remember the journal entries. 4 journal entries every year, it will be repeated, and 2 journal entries in the beginning. Interest, the method of interest you have to say. In depreciation, you have to see the method of depreciation. Okay, so go through the problem. If you have any doubts, you can clarify.